Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, leather seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2013 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.